I'm Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top View Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Hey there, welcome back to BTech. In today's competitive market, presentation is everything. Whether you are running an e-commerce store or building a standout marketing campaign, your product needs to captivate your audience. But what if you could achieve high quality visuals without the need for expensive photo shoots or models? Introducing Top View, the AI tool that redefines how you showcase your products. Top View Product Avatar leverages cutting-edge AI to bring your products to life. Simply upload your product image and watch as professional digital avatars hold and present your items with precision and style. It's like having a personal modeling studio at your fingertips. It creates hyper-realistic animated avatars that act as digital ambassadors for your brand or product. These avatars are customizable to suit your brand's tone and style, allowing you to select their appearance, voice, and even personality traits. Simply select your favorite avatar here, then click on the Replace with My Product image. Select the image and AI will instantly remove its background and your image result will appear within seconds. Now you can adjust the product's position as desired and then click the confirm button to finalize. It will take some time and that's it. It's just changing the old product image. The results are incredible. If you want, you can regenerate it and change image to video avatar.
I'm Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top View Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Next we have Video Avatar feature, which lets you create lifelike digital avatars for various purposes, marketing, branding, or personal projects. Using advanced AI, you can pick avatars that resemble real people and customize them with options for language, voice, and background. Once you select your avatar and input your script, the platform will generate a high quality video. You can further customize the video by adjusting its length, aspect ratio, and avatar placement to match your vision.
Talking avatars are digital characters that use advanced technology to mimic human speech and expressions. They are often powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and text-to-speech systems, allowing them to communicate interactively in real time. Talking avatars can be used in various applications such as virtual assistants, e-learning.
This feature is perfect for creating engaging promotional content or adding a human touch to your projects without the need to hire actors. The result is a polished, realistic avatar video that enhances the viewer experience. The photo talking avatars tools turn any image into a lifelike talking avatar. Simply input the script or text you want the avatar to speak, choose an AI voiceover that fits your desired tone.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Upload a photo, whether it's personal, a character, or related to your brand. And once the settings are set, click Generate. The platform will create a realistic video with your talking avatar.
Talking avatars are digital characters that use advanced technology to mimic human speech and expressions. They are often powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and text-to-speech systems, allowing them to communicate interactively in real time.
This tool is ideal for creating personalized content, interactive social media posts, or impactful marketing materials, adding a dynamic touch to your videos that captures your audience attention. The Top View AI is truly a revolutionary platform for content creators. Whether you are producing advertisement, repurposing content, or generating AI voices, these platforms significantly reduce time and effort. Check it out through the link in the description and get started today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.